Hey y'all, welcome back to Oh No Adventures. We made a trip to Tennessee for two different reasons. One was to drop my Jeep off in Chattanooga to have an Atlas transfer case installed at Tom's 4x4 Superstore, and the next reason was to go have an exhaust put on the Power Wagon. After we left Chattanooga, we made our way up to Nashville where we stayed in an Airbnb. It's located in the Blair Heights subdivision, which is just north of Nashville. The subdivision has a lot of history in it when it comes to country music singers. Its name was between Flatt and Scruggs, which is because Lester Flatt lived on one side of this house and Earl Scruggs lived on the other. And according to some of the pictures on the wall, the neighborhood also hosted several other country music singers. The next morning we made our way to Exhaust Addicts, which happened to be only a few miles from our Airbnb.
No, that's not the way. Like I said, we got plenty of space, but if I do turn down in front, it would...
Clay wanted true dual exhaust put on the truck, which of course was going to have to be custom made. He had seen videos from other people taking their vehicles to Exhaust Addicts and was very pleased with what he saw on their videos, so that's why we felt comfortable going ahead and taking it up there.
Yeah, okay. I just want to and then the Borla Pro XS is dual in dual out XS. It technically has an X-Mic built into it as well. So I can let you hear it with the Total Pro X-Mic and the Borla. I might have to do some fabrication after that. But yeah, let me get started. So this is with the X-Mic. I'll let you use straight pipe too, so yeah. I'll just have to start. Just watch your face because it'll blow out. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Straight pipe to the next pipe. Yeah. Give us some gas. Good roll. Yeah. Like I said, if it's a little bit quieter, the further back it goes. Yeah. But I'll put the vibrance up there now. I'll let you hear a little bit of vibrance. Okay. Go ahead, sir.
Which ones are those?
That's the X-Pipe and that. That's the X-Pipe and
I like that.
It's got a drum. But like I said, it'll be a little bit quieter because we run them all the way back here. Your sounds will be back here.
Yeah.
So basically, right now you'd be hearing it up front, but when we bring it back, even if we dump it here, it'll still be under the bed. Or if we bring it all the way back here, it'll be back. You want to hear what no X-Pipe?
What, with just them? Or?
Yeah, with just these, or do you want to hit the Borla as well? Real quick.
Yeah, I mean, you can do both of them, then we'll know which one to do.
Borla next.
sort of like the other setup you done. It had a better rumble to it.
The vibrance.
Yes.
Do you want to hear the vibrance with no X-pipe?
Yeah, let's see what the difference would be. Looks like it sounds good with just the X-pipe.
And hear straight pipe inside an
Nah.
X-pipe too?
Well, that would probably be too like what we gonna do.
Give me a second. Let me go grab 2 1/4 of this. Alright, go ahead, Drew.
After hearing the different samples, we decided to go with the X-Pipe with the Vibrant Performance resonators. took about 3 hours from start to finish, and overall we were happy with the way things turned out. Now it finally sounds like a real V8. And so here's a comparison of the before versus the after. So if you're in the market for custom exhaust, we highly recommend Exhaust Addicts out of Nashville, Tennessee. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.
Oh, no, 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 no!
So we made a trip to Tennessee for 2 reasons. One was to drop my Jeep off to get something